Hi friends, my name is Kailash Sharma. I'm going to show you the demo of Time and Motion Tracker. Let me give you a brief about this tool first. Time and Motion Tracker is an MS Excel based tool which helps you to track start and end time of any type of transaction or activity. Let's have a look at the tool. So here is the tool copy. It is an unprotected version. And let's see how to use this tool. So when you download the tool, you get this kind of sample data. Let's click on reset and clear this. It says that you are going to delete this data, which we are sure that we'll click on yes. And whenever you want to track the transaction, means when you are processing any transaction or activity, as soon as you start, you can click on this start button. There is also a shortcut that you can see, Control Shift A, that also can be used here. And once you complete the transaction, you can fill the transaction ID or activity name, whatever makes sense here. And then you can click on stop. For stop also there is a shortcut key, Control Shift S. And then you can add certain remarks. There are a few controls also which have been added here. For example, if I click on start 2 times, it will give me a message that you need to stop the earlier transaction first before you start the another one. Same way, if I click 2 times for stop, also it says you need to start the timer first. So like that, the controls have been put in. Let's say in your particular case you want to add certain more columns, so that also has been given as an instruction. So you can reset here, since it's an unprotected copy, so there is no protection which is applied, otherwise you have to click on reset. So if I want to add any column, we should not be adding it before column F, because these are already defined in the coding. If you try to add it here in between, then the functionality of the tool will be impacted. So for example, I want to add something called customer name. So I've clicked on insert column and then customer name. So it's as simple as that. You can add as many as column that you want. Let's try to use it again. We clicked on start. Let's say we started our transaction, we put our remarks and the customer name as well, and then click on stop. Let's try to use it using shortcut key. So this time I will press Control Shift A, you can see, and then Control Shift S. So like that you can also use this tool. Let's also have a look at the code, because it's an unprotected version, so you can also go through the code. For going to the code, you can right click here on the sheet name and then view code. So the code is written in this particular module, mod tracker. When you double click, you get the particular code, and you can see the functions which are written, or in fact these are subroutine. So we have a start timer, which is starting the timer. You can see some of the code has been unprotected here. This is basically protecting and used for protecting and unprotecting the sheet. So if you want this to be applied in your particular copy of the tool, you can enable it again. So this way, when you are inserting or you are starting the timer, first it unprotect the sheet with the password. You can change the password also the way you want, and then fill the details and then protect it again. Same way, when you are ending the timer, it is first unprotecting the sheet and then filling the end time and then protecting it again. This code is also commented. You can just remove the first character and it becomes the active code that way. And on the bottom is the reset tracker, where the entire data gets cleaned. So that's all about this tool. Thank you very much for watching this video.